χαρά που έχω στην καρδιά μου, που σας θωρώ ούλους δαμέ και εσάς και τα παιδιά μου. Μακάρι να είσαστε καλά και ούλους σας αξίζει η Παναγία και ο Χριστός χρόνια να σας χαρίζει. Δεν θα μπορούσα βέβαια να μεν καλωσορίσω τις 4 αρφάες μου να μεν ευχαριστήσω. Είναι ευλογία που το Θεό να έχω τις αδερφές μου να είναι μαζί μου σήμερα και εκείνες στις χαρές μου. Τώρα έχω ένα στιχάκι για τους νιόνυφους. Ευχόμαστε οι νιόνυφοι χρόνια πολλά να ζήσουν και αν κονούει σύντομα εμάς θα μας χαρίσουν.
I have known Andy my entire life, literally, since I am the younger brother. And I would like to thank you, basically, that you have always made me feel as if you would have my back, basically, dig me out of every hole that I managed to get myself into, to be the best brother, my hero, and basically, all in all, my best friend. I only want to ask you one final question. Are you having fun yet? That's awesome.
There's no tears. Are you crying?
I look beautiful.
You look beautiful.
I look beautiful.
We're all here today for something pretty amazing, to see Christianna and Andy tie the knot. This isn't just a formal event, it's a celebration of a love story that we've all been lucky to witness.
Fades into the wind and my heart is thrown open. Feels like slow motion. I never knew the feeling
So as everyone else, I don't ever do things traditional, so you will not hear me say all the typical things. You asked me if I was going to make you cry and if I was going to say something new. I didn't write anything. I just wanted to say a couple of things. One, The Lord of the Rings is always better than Harry Potter. But with my stubbornness, you will always have me to say twirly whirly too. I will always Harry Potter marathon with you once a year. I am in love with you.
I feel so blessed to have met you and to have been best friends with you and to eventually date you and to get to where we are now with a home and a happy life together. And I'm so happy to be standing here together to embark on the rest of our lives. And I do love you always.
χαρά μας που είμαστε εδώ για τις χαρές της Χριστιανά και του Άντι. Είχαμε μια καταπληκτική εβδομάδα με την οικογένειά σας και ευχαριστούμε πάρα πολύ για την φιλοξενία σας.
We're so happy to be here today to celebrate Christianna and Andy. We've both known Christianna for the better part of our lives. We spent almost every Saturday afternoon together for probably about 10 years.
In writing this speech, we've come to realize that a friendship as rich and as long as ours is hard to come by.
This time around, Christianna got to choose her groom, and we couldn't be happier that she chose Andy.
It has been so clear to us that Andy brings so much happiness, love, and support to Christianna. It's been such a joy to witness your lives become intertwined in the ways that you fill it with adventures of travel and your work, and with simply being adults, experiencing the everyday. We are so excited to see how this next phase of your life unfolds.
Christianna and Andy, we wish you nothing but the best, health and happiness, and all the love for your future. So stiniasas.
I just want to say a big thank you, first of all, to everybody for being here. We feel very blessed and very grateful to have each and every one of you in our lives and here celebrating this important and special day together with us. I feel honored to be part of the family.